guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and staying safe inside your homes. So summer is around the corner and this is why I have come up with a list of few items that I believe that essential for summers, especially for girls, and also some summer hacks. So in this video I'll be sharing all those hacks and essential items with you guys. This video is going to be divided into two parts. In the first part I'll share all the essential items, and in the second part I'll be sharing all the hacks. So without further delay, let's get into the video. And before starting the video, I want to say that please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So firstly, let's talk about the items that you will need to feel good and refreshed throughout the day. So the first thing and the most important thing is having a roll-on or a deo stick with yourself, and applying it at least twice a day in summers will help you keeping all the bad smell away from your underarms. So it's a must-buy thing for summers. You can buy according to your budget and your preference, but have it during summer. It's a must buy thing. Next, I would suggest keeping a pocket perfume in your purse and applying it multiple times whenever you are out to smell great and fresh throughout the day. Now the next essential item is a razor, because we know that having hairy armpits are never going to smell great, and it's not always possible to rush to parlor. So in such cases it becomes most important and most helpful item in summer. Now let's talk about your skin protection, and it's not just about sunscreens, so keep watching. So before moving ahead, let's talk basic and invest in a good sunscreen these summers. But also make sure that it has 30+ SPF at least, and it should suit your skin. Now if you are into herbal things, then you can go for Aroma Magic. It also comes with 30+ SPF. I personally like Lakme and Aroma Magic one. These two brands suit my skin. You can go for any brand, that completely depends on your budget, but make sure it suits your skin and it should not leave any white cast. So next you can apply some cooling gel on your skin to soothe it, especially on the days when you had long-term sun exposure. You can apply any gel that helps you, but I find this Lakme one really helpful, and this is why I'm sharing this one. And this is after sun gel, and it is not very costly. It comes around 180 rupees, so it is very affordable also, and it helps a lot. We already know that UV rays are harmful for our skin, so not only applying sunscreen on our face is sufficient, but protecting the other exposed parts like hands and feet is also necessary. So this is another must-buy thing, that having a sunscreen containing body lotion that has at least SPF more than 30 or 30 to protect the other exposed parts of our body. I personally like VLCC one. It does not leave any white cast on my skin, but you can go for any brand of your choice. Now let's see what are the items that can help us protecting our makeup in summer. So always keep any kind of vibe with yourself in summer. So whenever you are out, it is not always necessary that you will have access to running water, and if you are already sweating and a lot of dirt and debris has been settled on your face, so this will help you to clean your face instantly and you'll feel refreshed. So a lot of girls have oily or combination skin, and in Indian weather, applying a thick moisturizer is never gonna help these skin types. Also, before applying makeup, if you want a skin friendly as well as summer friendly base, then always keep an aloe vera gel in your vanity as summer approaches. Now coming to the last summer necessity, I think having a makeup fixer is must during summer if you don't want your makeup to drain out along with the sweat. There are so many fixers in each range, you can buy according to your choice. And if you don't want or you don't have budget to buy a makeup fixer, then buying a compact powder is always a good option. So you can keep dabbing it on your face whenever you feel little bit sweaty. So guys, this is all about today's video, and now I'm going to end this video. I'll bring its second part on next Sunday, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Like this video if you find this video helpful at any point, and stay safe and subscribe to my channel once again and saying this. Okay, so bye bye, see you, take care.